Hey, how's everyone doing? So today I'm going to show you on how to create Facebook and Instagram page engagement audiences. And this is what the new Ads Manager / audience page looks like. So first you would want to go to your Ads Manager account, then go to audiences. And you can see right here, I have a bunch of audiences and I created lookalike audiences based on page engagement. But you can see I have my Instagram profile engagement 180 days, Facebook page engagement 180 days. Now it's below 1,000. That's primarily because both accounts are relatively new. So it doesn't surprise me one bit that it's the size as below 1,000. So first thing you want to do, and we're going to start with the Instagram, is that you want to go to create audience and click on custom audience. You click that. Then you go to Instagram business profile. Now you can see here I have my Instagram page right here, though in the future, if you have multiple accounts, you can actually make different audiences based on each account that you're managing. And you have the ability to include people, any or all the people who meet the following criteria. You also have the ability to target everyone who's engaged with your business, anyone who visited your business profile, people who engaged with any post or ad, people who sent a message to your business profile, and people who saved any post or ad. Now, you can also use this as some sort of retargeting campaign. And why I say that is that these are people who already engaged with your business on either Instagram or Facebook. And this is another way to just re-engage with them, retarget them with a different message or a same message to drive more leads, sales, conversions, and so forth. Now, you have the ability, right? So we can include more people to the audience. So for example, everyone who engaged with your business, we can even say, actually, we'll change this up. So anyone who visited your business profile in the last 90 days. Then I want to include more people. And I want to include people who engage with a post or an ad within the last 365 days. So you have that option right there. But I'm just going to stick with the basics. And I'm just going to choose everyone who engaged with your business in the last 90 days. And I'm just going to call this DRP Instagram page engagement. "90 days." And there you go. You can add your description. You can exclude people, but right now this is just fine. So I'm going to click create audience. Now you can target people with your lookalike audience and create a new one to target new people who would be very similar to the people you're already trying to target right now. I'll click done. Now let's go back to create audience again. And let's go to custom audience. And we're going to go to Facebook page. Now we're on Facebook page, and I'm going to do the same thing. Everyone who engaged with your page in the last, let's say 90 days. And I don't think I have to repeat myself, but I'm just going to say, so DRP Facebook page engagement 90 days. There we go. Then I'm going to click create audience. And I can do the same thing. I can create a lookalike audience, and you can see it's already populating, though it is ready and available to use currently. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to actually create a saved audience. So we're going to go saved audience. And what I'm going to do is we can narrow it down if we like. For the most part, maybe sometimes you don't want to, you don't need to, but in this case, let's narrow it down. So I'm going to choose my custom audience, and I'm going to choose right here. I'm going to choose the Instagram page 90 days. The data is not going to be available. And I want to choose people in the United States. You can do 18 to 65, English all right here. You can include people, exclude people. In this case, just as an example, I'm just going to say business owner. And we'll use that as a job title. I mean, this is fine. I'm not trying to get too specific with it. I'm just showing you as an example. And you can add your different connection types, but in the meantime, this is fine. I would click create audience, and that's exactly what you do. And then you can rename the audience. And the same thing, you can add your in this case, it'd be DRP Facebook page to it, so you can actually target both of them. So if they're on either profile, you can target them as well. So your audience will be a little bit bigger. And like I said before, you can change, let's just say, maybe I change it to 24 to 65. Yeah, that's what I can do. Now I'm going to cancel that real quick. I'm going to show you another way to actually engage with those users who are familiar with you. So let's go back to saved audience. And I'm going to click on all the way to the bottom. So I'm going to just choose English again. Can click that. And all I'm going to do next is click add connection. And then this is where you can actually pick people who like your page. So already target those people. Now, why would you want to do that? So on Facebook, when you post something on Facebook, for the most part, only 10% of the people are probably seeing your posts. So this might be another way if you want to boost your posts or re-engage with the audience, you have the ability. So you click on Facebook pages. Then I'm going to choose people who like your page, but you can also choose, by the way, friends of people who like your page, so you can target their friends or exclude people. In this case, I'm going to do digital reach platform. And that's all you would have to do. And if you have multiple Facebook pages, you can add those as well. Then you create saved audience. So I'm just going to do DRP, saved audience example. And then I click create saved audience. And there you go. You can see here, DRP save audience example is below 1,000. And that's essentially it. So all you would have to do after that, if you want to use those audiences, you go to your ads manager, choose the objective, go through. Then in the ad set, you would just add the saved audience or custom audience that we just included. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like. And if you have any questions, please leave us any questions. We'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. And please subscribe. We would love to do more of these types of videos, and we'll see you back next time. Take care.